There we go. You snapped. Guys, welcome back to Gowayz Moto. Today we're doing one of the best bang for buck mods on the Papio. Got a brand new sprocket, front sprocket, 14 teeth, and the original one should be 15, I hope. Essentially doing this, what it will make it do is give it a bit more acceleration, make it feel a little bit more powerful. We will lose some top ends, but that's not really important with these bikes. They're so small anyway, we're not going to use them on the freeway. So what we're going to do, we'll walk you through the steps, how to change your front sprocket, and then we'll give you a review after of the difference between the 15 tooth and the 14. So there's 3 8mm hex bolts. There's one there, one on the inside and one underneath. And then there's 2 10mm bolts. That's on this nut. Let's actually put it in gear so then the wheel doesn't spin. It's a bit tight though, Jesus Christ. Slide off this washer.
Exact same process as the Grum. Literally looks the same.
Maybe a little bit easier if we loosen the chain, but that works. Pop that off. It should go on easier anyway with a small sprocket.
Yep. Alright, that's off.
There's a new sprocket, 14 teeth. Should be able to go on.
Goofit? Is that the brand?
Goofit? Yeah.
Goofit. Oh, that's classic Chinese brandy.
Oh yeah, this is also only $12.22 off eBay. It's almost nothing
For the Goofit sprocket.
the Goofit sprocket. So hopefully this will go straight on without having to loosen the chain. And then it feels like it will. Let's have to line it up. I should be able to get it. There we go.
There we go.
Sweet. Now we just have to tighten the chain once this is all on, because we've lost obviously a whole tooth. Alright, slap on the new washer. We're just going to use the original bolts because the new ones
are slightly longer.
Yeah, like a mil longer.
So just reusing the factory ones.
So as you can see, we've snapped a bolt inside the sprocket.
So don't over tighten. Alright, so luckily it came with 2 spare bolts, so we're using those ones now instead, since we sheared off one of the factory ones.
Even though it's longer, it shouldn't make a difference because there's nothing behind the sprocket that it can hit.
Yep. And then tighten up your 2 bolts, make sure not to over tighten them, as we found out the hard way.
So I'll do it so it feels comfortable, and I'll tighten the chain. So it should go back on.
Put your cover back on, 3 8mm bolts, and then we're going to tighten the chain after that.
Line.
And just tighten up the chain.
Let's just double check that. Oh, that's too.
Should be right.
No, that's good.
Yeah, should be good.
We'll loosen ever so slightly. Did you ride it?
Yeah.
It goes through the gears a little bit quicker.
Yeah, you feel the difference. Yeah.
Yeah, slightly quicker, which is good. Sorry, what you want for a little bite.
Yeah. Yeah, it still doesn't pop up as easy as the Grom.
Yeah. So I reckon it definitely has way more acceleration. It goes through the gears.
Definitely feel it, yeah.
Alright guys, that is how you change the front sprocket on a CFMOTO Papio. This is without a doubt one of the best, if not the best bang for buck mod that you can do on this bike. For not even $15, I highly recommend this to all Papio owners that want to make the most of their bike. Dropping one tooth completely changes the personality of the bike. It catches gears quicker, it doesn't bog down when you're going uphill or into headwind, and even casually riding around town, it just makes it feel a lot more torquey. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, it really helps us out a lot. Stay tuned for the next Gowayz video.